I have heard right now today a lot of good in the good sense technology. We all trust that the technology is there. So, but the main thing about technology is how we are going to cope with all of this. My name is Mohamad Adib Baroud. I'm a blockchain enthusiast. I am building my multi-MSP business named Team X24 based on NFT. And I have the pleasure to build two blockchain technologies, which is one of them is called Visual City. It's a metaverse per city, and building a P2P insurance company called Security. So based on, lead by example, how can I, okay, where is my slide? In my brief introduction, pay attention. Our only role in this world is to be awake. Consciously do things to bring yourself into the moment. If you are with someone and not paying attention, stop and zone in on that person and be with them fully. Start to eliminate background noises and sights until it's just you and them. If this is difficult while you are alone, practice removing other senses so you begin to focus on one thing and one thing only. Oh, no, this has gone wrong. In the introduction 2.0, I want you to feel. Close your eyes for a minute and focus on single noise, or cover your ears and look at a single object. If that doesn't get your internal focus point sparked, then close your eyes and ears and smell that scent that will put you there where you should be. You see, by using our and controlling our senses, we can put and manipulate our brain to be wherever we want. It is as simple as that. These are the characteristics to put you in the righteous mindset, a mindset of community building, and not only me. It's all about creating logic to ask question, and then the follow-up question, and then what else comes to mind. And after that condition, what should happen? If not, and if not, what then? And while it is happening, how and when to react. I explain this each time in a process way of thinking, because the mindset is everything. A process is a line with steps. Each step needs to have an output or a deliverable. After each step finishes, the next begins. When the last one finishes, then your process finishes, it stops, or it repeats itself. As simple as that. With this background information, I want to take you into the phasing of the blockchain in business, because I believe every business can have implementing blockchain today, not tomorrow, but today. And I have designed this like stepwise phasing of how to do it within the blockchain. The mindset you are going to build, we are going to create, we are going to implement, and we are going to advance with each other. I don't go into specifics. This I will let for another time. So imagine is to create. Dreams, big dreams are worth every minute of dedicated hard work it takes to achieve them. Lead by example. That's why you have to feel passionate about what you want to achieve. If it doesn't excite you enough to feel worth it, find something that does. On the other hand, you have the power of will, power of knowledge, the mind-seeking focus point that I have talked about. Procreate instead of procrastinate. This is something that all great leaders have a problem with. Find the fear that is holding you back and transform it to procreation. Imagine focusing on the what and the why. Learn if you can't beat them, join them. Learn, regroup, and go ahead and beat them at the next attempt. We all have the problem with humble versus ego, which we characterize ego as negative and humble as positive. So my take is, when your ego wants to lead and take over, control this with being humble. It will then settle the ego level until it is necessary to let the ego lead, and repeat, to humble yourself again, to take back control. This is from my personal experience. So now let's create a future when you learn how to bring this in balance. You'll be truly making progress in anything you do in your life, in total. Every individual, business, heck, every transaction is recorded on the blockchain. That is my foreseeing of the future. Just imagine having a total recall, like just the film of our great actor, Schwarzenegger, Arnold Schwarzenegger. Recollections of memory, that is your memories recorded for eternity. You're being present in your own history, present and future. Everything happens simultaneously. There is where it comes. I'm very excited and proud to be part of building the new Web3 internet on the blockchain. Call it a new world system. This is the new reality, NFTs, metaverses, and making the impossible possible. As we are going from physical to virtual worlds, the possibilities are endless, thus infinite. Remember this quote, as I am the first one you are going to hear it from. I believe we are entering a new economy where value is not any longer based on monetary system, but on emotional intelligence, new era.